this paper, the continuation, uh, I'm creating a related work based on the literature survey papers. So I have collected literature survey papers and I have created the table. From the table, we got drawbacks. So for avoiding those drawbacks, we are proposing the proposed technique. So in this literature review, we have added all the references, what what type of literature review papers we have added, and now see, I am aligning that literature review part in a related work by using ChatGPT, and we are avoiding the plagiarism, and we are making the related work is with the citations. Next, third side heading, methodology. In this methodology, we need to prepare methodology part. One second. First we need to align it. Yeah. So three side headings are there. This methodology. Now use the chart GPT here. One second, I'm keeping. Yeah. So explain two pages about with each side heading with two paragraphs based on the above entire research data, and also use this data, means data set. We have downloaded data set. No, we haven't downloaded actually. This one data set. The data set is Kaggle data set, I guess. 10th paper. It is a Kaggle data set. Yeah. Now this is the data set, correct. So I'm uploading these data sets. Yeah, 4 types. Normal, okay. So these data sets, so I'm uploading the data set also. So now in this one, 10th paper actually we are doing. Yeah, this is the data. So let it be yes. So now I have added viral pneumonia data, only one it came. Next, sorry. No. Yeah, here I want to add. Oh, yeah. Next, one more. I am dragging, Ramchan. Are you seeing?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. And one more is COVID. Because of your now you are in muted, that's why my voice is clear. So now I am preparing methodology based on uh, the input data sets and everything. Now it is preparing methodology. See now. So methodology we have so it is preparing I think three side headings in this methodology we have. Yeah. So now paraphrase, we need to do like this: paraphrase and make it into humanoid text for this data. Now methodology I am preparing. In this methodology we have three side headings. What is the research methodology we are using in this paper? We are using the proposed methodology UFDL PPE framework. After that, system architecture UFDL PPE, then a data set, then simulation setup. Yeah, excellent. Now we need to copy this one and we need to paste it in our original paper. So this is okay. So now third side heading we have completed. So in this paper 3.1, so we need to align it. So system architecture, we need to draw the diagram here. Then we need to explain data set. Then the data set URL we need to cite it there. Then experimental setup, yes. So here we can draw the model diagram. Let's see here in data set description, what is the citation? You know this one 43 Kaggle. This is this URL 43, keep in mind. This one we need to paste it in the third here, where the data set, here data set, here you need to mention here. So see here, no, so this 43, yeah, yes, this is the URL we need to mention because the data set we have taken from that Kaggle repository. Then simulation setup, here we need to draw the diagram like this. What to do, 1 second. The diagram, if you see in paper 9, let's see in this one, not here, I guess it is not here. We'll go 1 second, 8th paper, yes, here it is there. Yeah, in this one we will take architecture model, simple architecture model like yeah, this is the diagram, this diagram, sample diagram. So same thing we will create for this paper also here. Okay, now we need to remove everything. This is a figure, we will keep it as figure 1. Okay, yeah, now we need to remove this one. Control E, delete this paper, we will close it. So here we are preparing now major components of a proposed work. We have our own proposed work. So proposed architecture, like that we will write initially. Now I will ask provide here, provide 6 major components, provide 6 major components for the proposed architecture. Provide 6 major components for the proposed architecture for the above research, data, and also use this data. Yeah, now it will display 6 major components. Now in this one, see, the first one is federated learning engine. We need to paste it here. Next, second one, lightweight CNN. Next, third one, third one, explainable AI. Next, fourth one, data handling pre-processing unit. Next, fifth one, simulation and community layer, Floyer framework. Next, the last major component, evaluation and visualization engine. Yes, now here we need to, so now I will ask what is the suitable name for the proposed architecture for the above research. Now it will give us the architecture name. What is the architecture name? UFDL PPE, a 6 component unified federated deep learning architecture with the privacy preserving explainability. A 6 component unified, we will remove that a 6 component unified. Why? We will keep it like this. Okay, now the proposed architecture here. Okay, a 6 component unified. Okay, no problem. Now we need to write 2 sentences or otherwise 1 paragraph. This is figure number 1 only, na? Yeah, this is a figure number 1. Figure number 1. Explain 1 paragraph. Explain 1 paragraph about based on the above entire research data. Okay, now it will we are explaining. Yeah, now this figure name, paraphrase and make it humanoid text for this data. Okay, so you need to figure 1, you need to remove this one, illustrates, you need to remove like this. Okay, now we are making it as paraphrase and so there are 6 major components. So now like this you need to develop a proposed architecture diagram with our own. So the explanation we need to paste it. You make it unbold. Okay. So now figure 1 we have explained. Now I am going for fourth side heading. Actually, what is the fourth side heading? Experimental results and analysis. So fourth side heading, four side headings are there. Okay, now we need to copy. Explain, explain, explain each side heading with three paragraphs about. We need to copy based on the above entire research, based on the above entire research experimental data. Okay, so okay, now see, now it will prepare for each side heading. Now it is preparing. We will generate confusion matrix and grad cam results, and many things we will create it. Okay, now these four side headings we need to copy. Experimental, we need to do paraphrasing, otherwise see that diagram also it generated. Okay, we will copy that diagram, no problem. Already all the diagrams with us, na? Yeah. So paraphrase and make it into humanoid text for this data. So these are the experimental results. So are you understanding, Ramchand, what we are doing?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, you need to learn how to prepare a research article.
Yes, sir.
So confusion matrix and gradcam results, now it is generating. So like this. So four side headings we got it. Now we need to paste it. This up to 4. Okay. Now we are going to paste here experimental results. Okay. Now we need to make it alignment. Alignment we need to do experimental results, performance metrics. We need to add these 3 paragraphs for each. Then we will do it. We will insert all the images for each side heading, and this cam results. This 10th paper we need to finish today. High definition, no. Experimental graphs. So we need to high resolution. to, yeah, now we will add this fifth one, then we will add insert diagrams. This is the fifth. So fifth side heading, last. So 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 5.4, 5.5, 5.6. So now we will ask explain each side heading, two paragraphs about based on the above experimental results. Now it is generating. Now see, now it is generating discussion UDF. So this is the last side heading, the conclusion and future work. The declaration is there. Okay. Okay, 1 second. Now discussion. We got the discussion. Explain, paraphrase and make it into humanoid text for this data. Let's see. Now it is preparing paraphrased and a humanized version of your so now fifth side heading we are going to finish. Yeah, limitations. Yeah, now we need to copy this one, discussion of results. Actually this one is discussion. Okay, so now fifth one is almost all completed. So now we need to do alignment for this discussion of results. Yeah, so after that we will add experimental graphs. We will add while I was in Mohan Babu University, Tirupati Ramchan.
Yes, sir.
That time I have attended nearly 100 or 150 workshops to gain my knowledge in the subjects.
Okay, sir. Okay.
In the COVID, during COVID, and before that also 5 years continuously, myself and one more friend, we traveled Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, every place for attending all the workshops
Okay, sir.
and
Okay.
to gain this much knowledge. Now I can explain any topic like that. My mind says any topic.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So like that you need to attend as many as workshops, and you have
Okay,
to
sir.
give presentations, more presentations on your topic, like in machine learning only.
Okay, okay.
Don't hesitate while if you don't know anything, I will teach you how to prepare a PowerPoint presentation slides and all. We
Okay,
will
sir.
do it in the near future. In the near future, in that college, they will expect more. Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir.
explain three paragraphs. Three paragraphs about conclusion based on the experimental results data above. So we need to show this is the tool we need to utilize properly.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now I'm preparing conclusion, and the last one is future work is there. How to prepare future work I will explain now. So this is the conclusion part. We need to make it paraphrase and make it into humanoid text for this data. So now we are preparing. So now conclusion is ready. Now conclusion is ready. Now I need to paste a conclusion. So we need to make it the conclusion part in all three paragraphs, make it into single paragraph. So here we need to remove one conclusion, then like this. So now this future work. Okay, now okay, explain each side heading with one paragraph about based on the above entire research data. Okay, so now future work section based on now it is preparing four future research directions for this work. Now it is giving four paragraphs. Now we need to paraphrase it. Copy, paraphrase, and make it into humanoid text for this data. So now I am making this one. According to Springer Journal format, it is asking declaration part, next part. Okay, so this one now I am making future work. You can keep side heading, then you can copy paste. This one we will make it into justification. So now, sorry, this is separate side heading. Okay, so this one also separate side heading. That means 5 point, this is 6 na, conclusion is 6, 6.1. This is future work. This one is 6.1.1. This is 6.1.2. 6.1.3, 6.1.4. So next last one is declaration. It is asking declaration. Okay, we will write a declaration according to this journal. So we will prepare according to this one. Prepare each side heading with 2 sentences about this declaration part based on the data. So this entire data we have already added our details, you know, Ramchand. Here you need to copy.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you need to copy this one and paste here. Now it will prepare each declaration part one sentence. Let's see how it will prepare. Then we will do paraphrase. Data availability. See, authors it prepared. Okay. So here now I will paraphrase it. See, conflict of interest, paraphrase, and make it into humanoid text for this data. So now the paper is completed. Now we have to insert all the graphs. We have already generated graphs. So I'll show you how to insert graphs and explanation of each graph. So this is about author contribution. So conflict of interest. See, I'm adding now. So here what I am doing, it is there, but still declaration in the field before. Yeah, now see, I have added. So now let's see declaration part. First one is conflict of interest. That means no problem. I don't have any conflict of interest. See, this research, don't keep a study. Copy like this, study. Wherever study is there, you replace with research. Keep in mind. Research. Replace all. How many are there? 3 places. In the 11 places it is there. Okay. So now data availability statement. This one. Yes. Next ethical approval. Yes. Author contribution is there. Then supplementary material, author contribution. Okay, we have written already. If it is there, nothing will happen. Okay. So now our data is perfect. Now we need to do future work also. We have add conclusion. Yeah. So after this 5.6 you can add like this. That is my own experience. Comparison of existing versus proposed system. So this side heading I am adding. This is my own. So I am asking explain 2 paragraphs. Explain 2 paragraphs about, okay, based on the above experimental results data, and also use existing system data. What is existing system? We have prepared already literature survey table, you know. In this literature survey table, paper number 10, in the literature survey we have existing data, you know. So we have collected all the, see this like this we need to keep. So we need to copy these papers, this data. This is called existing data. Now we are comparing with our experimental data with the existing data. Now it will explain. Now see, This is my own side heading I have added in the paper itself. 5.7 is a comparison of existing versus proposed system. We are comparing with our experimental results with the existing system results. Okay, so now it is preparing two paragraphs about existing versus proposed system. Now we need to do paraphrase and make it into humanoid text for this data. Now I am preparing after this comparison of existing versus proposed system, I need to prepare a statistical table of existing versus proposed. See how I am going to prepare. Very interesting concept. How to prepare the table of data. See, very interesting table I am preparing now. So I am asking now table of data. See, very interesting, very easy. Prepare table of data with columns like parameters comma existing system comma proposed system based on suitable parameters using experimental results data above entire results data, and also use this data, means our paper data. We have already mentioned some this is okay. Now see, it will generate the table of the data. Very interesting concept. It shows that whether we have done correct or not, our experimental results correct or not based on our existing versus proposed system. Now we are going to see the table. Now we are going to see the table of the data. See, my guide is given message Ramchand.
Yes, sir.
Can I move? Can I call to him?
Yes, sir. So shall we stop here?
Uh, yeah, that's what I'm saying. Please call me like that. He's saying. Okay.
Yeah, I will go to my HR also. I have
Okay.
some
Okay.
work.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So I will stop the
Okay.
meeting
Okay.
now.